Discover the perfect blend of functionality and style with our premium bowl bag. Designed to cater to all your bowling needs, this sleek and versatile bag ensures easy transportation of your bowling essentials. Whether you're heading to the lanes for a casual game or a competitive tournament, the ball bag has got you covered. There are many products available to choose razor scooter, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best razor scooter from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Pyramid Deluxe Double Roller Bowl Bowling Bag. Introducing a travel essential built to withstand the rigors of your adventures. A luggage piece crafted from robust 600 denier polyester Oxford fabric. This durable construction ensures longevity, promising to accompany you on countless journeys. Equipped with wide 3 rubber wheels, this luggage item offers effortless maneuvering across various terrains, aided by its broad wheelbase which enhances stability even on uneven surfaces. With a 21.5 extendable square handle, conveniently elongated by 5.5 for smoother rolling, navigating through bustling terminals becomes a breeze. Practicality meets functionality as it accommodates a single pair of shoes, accommodating sizes up to men's 16, eliminating the need for additional storage. Its dimensions, spanning 21 in length, 15 in height, and 13 in width, strike a perfect balance between spaciousness and portability, ensuring you can pack everything you need without compromising on convenience. Say goodbye to travel woes with this versatile and reliable luggage companion by your side. Number 2. Mangrove Bowling Bowl Bag. Constructed from 100% polyester, the Mangrove Bowling Bowl Bag is your all-in-one solution for transporting all your bowling essentials. This spacious bag features a main compartment tailored to accommodate one bowling ball, alongside 2 side pockets equipped with ventilation vents, perfect for storing a pair of shoes up to men's size 14, and other gear. Additionally, a front zipper pocket offers convenient storage for smaller items like your wallet, keys, or cell phone. Designed with your equipment safety in mind, the main compartment boasts a thickly padded foam bowling ball holder with a reinforced sturdy bottom, ensuring optimal protection against damage. To further safeguard your gear, 4 anti-slip bases are strategically placed under the bag, providing stability and minimizing wear and tear. Carrying your gear is made effortless, with the Mangrove Bowling Ball Bag's adjustable shoulder strap, featuring a movable pad to alleviate shoulder stress. The padded Velcro tote handle offers comfortable hand carrying, while the durable metal hooks ensure the shoulder strap remains securely attached and can be detached as needed. Constructed with 600G sturdy fabric, reinforced stitching, and quality metal hardware, this bowling bag is built to withstand the weight and demands of transporting heavy gear. Number 3. Himmel Bowling Bowl Bag. With the Himmel Bowling Bag, you'll never have to compromise on storage space or quality. This bag offers ample room to accommodate all your bowling essentials, including a bowling ball in the main compartment, 2 side pockets with ventilation vents for shoes up to men's size 14, a towel, and more. Plus, the front compartment provides easy access to items like wallets, keys, and mobile phones, keeping them within reach. Crafted from high-quality materials, this bowling bag is built to last, capable of withstanding heavy loads. Smooth zippers ensure hassle-free access to your belongings while protecting your valuable bowling ball. The center compartment features a foam ball holder, offering superior cushioning and protection against damage. Additionally, 4 anti-slip bases provide stability and minimize wear and tear. Carrying your gear has never been more comfortable, thanks to the adjustable shoulder strap with a removable pad, designed to reduce shoulder stress and enable effortless transportation. Number 4. Atletico Bowling Bag. The Atletico Bowling Bag offers ultimate convenience by consolidating all your bowling gear into one spacious carrier. From accommodating a bowling ball, shoes up to men's size 15, gloves, and a towel, to providing a front compartment for easy access to essentials like your wallet, keys, and cell phone, this bag ensures everything is organized and accessible. Carrying your gear is a breeze with the padded adjustable shoulder strap designed for comfort, while detachable metal hooks ensure durability. The center compartment boasts a foam ball holder, providing optimal protection for your valuable bowling ball. Crafted with top-quality materials, reinforced stitching, and sturdy metal hardware, the Atletico Bowling Bag is built to last. Plus, with the Atletico 100% satisfaction guarantee, you can trust in its quality. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return it for a full refund, no questions asked. Choose the Atletico Bowling Bag for peace of mind and unbeatable convenience. Number 5. Atletico Essential Bowling Bag. Experience unparalleled convenience with the Atletico Essential Bowling Ball Bag. The Atletico Essential Bowling Ball Bag redefines convenience with its innovative design and unbeatable features. Equipped with adjustable padded shoulder straps and Velcro closed padded tote handles, this bag offers multiple carrying options tailored to your comfort. Your valuable bowling ball, receives superior protection within the center compartment, which features a foam bowl holder, designed to cushion and safeguard it from any potential damage during transit. Weighing in is a lightweight and compact companion. This bag boasts dimensions of 14x 13x8, 35x 32x 20 centimeters, making it the perfect size to accommodate all your bowling essentials, remaining easy to carry and transport. Backed by the Athletico 100% satisfaction guarantee, your purchase is completely risk-free. If you're not completely satisfied with your new Athletico Essential Bowling Bowl bag for any reason, simply return it for a full refund, no questions asked. Choose the Athletico Essential Bowling Bowl bag for unmatched convenience, protection, and peace of mind on the lanes. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.